Morning guys, Brandon Boylan Trading here. I'm going to go over a market recap today, recap our daily notes, predicting the stock market every day, or at least trying to. So let's get these daily notes up. That's what we utilized today, August 5th, posted an hour before market open. These are some of the plays we were looking at today. Let's go over some of the awesome ones. I only took 2 trades today. Not bad, not huge. 500 shares today, and that's it. Took a Netflix short scalp here. Into our prior resistance for this nice little candle dump, and I only scalped it. That one was a pretty fast in and out trade today. The other one was ROKU. The premium play call here, right from the notes as well, was the 200 EMA pop to fail on the 4-hour. So let's get over to that. So that first little tag here, we did watch the push all the way up into about the 98.50s or so here, this first little push. So we shorted into this pop, rode ROKU all the way back down to the pre-market lows for a potential lower high. The pre-market lows always tend to have a higher low setup to them. That's why we have set a 9 code here to help us out, but did get out of that ROKU short, and we did take 200 shares and then a couple incremental covers on the way down, netting just about 315 bucks today off of just those 2 trades, 500 shares. Not too bad. Exercised lots of patience. So let's go through some of the daily notes today. We'll start here at Facebook. Large gap down this morning, of course, following the gap bounce. 184.50 and 185.40 is his weekly resistance. So we had this channel, right, and I was looking for a weekly resistance line on Facebook, and it was going to be under over each one of these levels. So this was resistance, this was support and pre-market here. So if it broke under here and had continuation, one of our members called the retrace to the 50 VWAP. That's a system that we use here in the elites all the time. So a fantastic setup there in short. Daily notes worked out perfectly according. So under the lows or over the highs, not bad. Real good 200 EMA rejection. It's pretty classic. SQ is one pretty sad that I missed here. Daily notes right from it says weakness from ER is 66.70s gives up. Target's going to be just above 65 on your short. So 66.70s, which is this red line right here, gives it up, and it kind of pushed back down right into a support and popped, and then of course failed that level. We watched at 66.70s, and all we had to do was wait for that leak. We missed that first break. I said watch SQ on that roll for the 50. It snapped, but we did come all the way back up, and we did have a micro M. So right here, I called this short here at the center of the M rejection, also major resistance of 65.70, just about there. But 2 different little rollover shorts here had really good potential, targeting just under 65. You can see both times it clicked here on the lows, it was just under 65. So nice little notes kill there, a couple little good scalps, not bad. Shop was the other one I really wanted to hit today. This was on the long call, right from the daily notes. It says gap filling down 318 and change, really big split support, bounce plays there. Also 315. Now 315 was called in the pre-market breakdown as we do start going over some of these stocks. So 315, blue always support. Recovery of the split here, 318. We had a really big strong move there, and I wanted to take it long into the 315, but we just didn't really get a setup there, and I didn't have it on a main watch. So big miss there, but you did have 10 points to the long side. We did look for that 315 bounce, and that one did come through pretty nice. The meats, I was going to look for rejections at the 100 and 200-day EMAs, but we're still going to use that 174.75 level up here. Couldn't hold it, trailing down. I'm still looking for more of a static day, some consolidation, but I still want to see 160s tag, like close to 160, 161. So Beyond Meats, just ish, pretty static today. NVDA, the call here, I was looking for EMA rejections of the 100 and 200 EMA short, 152.30s target. First off for your short, break under that, retrace, went down. 150s was the pre-market target we talked about for our short. It made it down to 150.30. So we called the short off this level here, waited for the 50 cross, and target about 2.5 points. We killed NVIDIA there today. Very nice, very controlled. Tesla, one of our members had puts on this one, and we called a 231 split. Popped to short there on Tesla. So 231.36 popped right into the 231 split, pretty much to the penny. 231.30 is where the level is, and you see it close all the way down and fill right past. And some of these other levels working out quite well there as well. So again, all of these plays here posted an hour before open. Really solid levels we always use, and very interested in limiting risk. So nice slow day today. That's it for us. 500 shares traded, 2 trades. That's it. So we see you guys bright and early tomorrow.